Roger Williams University is uniquely positioned because we have the indoor shellfish hatchery, we have the farm off our shores here, we have a molecular diagnostics laboratory, so we can basically run the full life cycle of ecologically and economically important shellfish and other organisms here in the ocean state.
Shellfish, including oysters and quahogs, have been declining in numbers in the bay for decades and decades. So we've been doing a ton of work in the hatchery this year, so we're having a larger impact on undergraduate education, local restoration projects, conservation. The benefit to our students is that they can enter the hatchery on day one. They're getting tons and tons of experiential learning opportunities.
Mainly, I want to be able to work with oysters and helping repopulate them in the Hudson River, so being able to have this experience and getting my hands dirty and working with oysters and other shellfish gives me a lot of experience. I don't think there's another place like Roger Williams for this.
Our programming is about supporting local farmers and providing talent in the aquaculture industry. And research is at the foundation of all of that. The more that we learn, the more that we're able to work with these organisms, the more that we can help to protect them and to support conservation and restoration here in Narragansett Bay.